It's been a slow go. I work on the gardens when I can. And when I can't, I just let the kitty cat deal with it. Every time I come out here, his cat's got to talk to me. Darn cats. But anyway, the garden's slowly coming on. Things are changing, things are growing. As we get rain, this is just weeds right there. We've got to get rid of that. But as time goes, the cat follows me and thinks I'm talking to him. The garden changes. New plants pop up from seeds I put out a good while back. I guess the environment just wasn't ready for some of them at that time. This is from the bales of straw I used over here, and I got some potatoes that were sprouting in the house. I'm going to go ahead and put those in the dirt. And this I've got done underneath the bales of straw in the trench that I dug. I put composted chicken manure, then I piled the dirt back up at it, and I went ahead and seeded all this, and hopefully, I'm not going to say what I've seeded with yet, but hopefully, if the seed sprouts, then we'll all know, right? As this is changing and growing and everything, I'll do some updates. It's like a brim. Well, what do you call that? It's where the water rolls downhill and collects in the trough under there, and then all this dirt over here and the bales of straw kind of maintain a lot of that moisture down in the ground down there. So hopefully it'll do good. And I do have some plants that are coming on. Not as good as I was hoping, but I will eventually, as I continue to work on it. Every little bit counts. Every little tiny thing that I do out here makes a big difference. Any mulch I put in helps hold moisture in the ground. My basil is really coming on. This is like third or fourth generation basil out here, so that's why that basil does so good here. Got a few tomato plants coming on. Sweet potato patch. I got a little tomato right there in the middle, trying to get that thing to take off and grow. You are following me everywhere. No, you're not going to touch it. No, you're not going to eat it either. I am a source of food. So when the chickens and the cats hear me, they come a-running. It's a cooler day than it's been, but I'm still sweating. I've been digging right here, loosening up this area with the fork. And yeah, I still got to clean up my cardboard. I was using the cardboard as a mulch, and I ended up collecting way too much of it. But I'm going to be moving all this over to compost pile, getting all the tape and other pieces of plastic out, just compost the cardboard. But I'm working on loosening this area right here, and I'm going to keep on. Hopefully I can get it done over in this area too. Loosening this soil really helps, because the soil has been compacted so much over the years, and it's rocky. It's a little bit rocky, as you can see over in there. It's still good soil, but as I go, you know, I do a little addition garden. You know, just add a little bit to this one. Just grow it out. I don't know what I'll plant right here. I'll figure that out later. But I have me just a little spot that I've dug and loosened the soil and got the weeds out of, and then I'll seed it and have something grow. I don't have any more sweet potato slips. I've already put all those in the ground. So I don't know what I'll put right here, but I'll figure that out as I go. And then water it. I got some melons growing over here. I had put some melons. Yeah, got some right there. I just put a little handful of melon seeds in here because I had put melon seeds pretty much everywhere out here. And I didn't know if, you know, these would sprout or not, and I went ahead and just stuck them in the dirt. And looks like something's been eating on them. But whatever grows, grows, and whatever don't. It's in a really good 4x8 or 4x4 square foot here. I've got a lot of good composted material in there, and composted chicken manure and other straw, you know, all that good stuff. As it changes, and weeds continue to grow. I do still have like garlic. I still got garlic plants popping up. As time goes by, these garlic plants will take off and grow better. Got a little marigold in there. I did see a big frog in here the other day. I don't know where he's at now. But look at that. That's a Swiss chard. Look at these onions. It's crazy how these onions did. Isn't that crazy? Really crazy. I'm counting 5 of them. There may be 6 of them down in there. I don't know. But I'm counting 5. It's just amazing what plants do. They don't always do the way you want them to do. But they do. They do something. Alright. Wish me luck in my gardens.